Hey everybody, I'm going to share a quick tip today for navigating Teams and really getting back to the things you've been working on, especially if you've lost something that you're working on that was super important. Maybe it's buried in your Teams channels and in all your conversation history. Now I'll show you an easy way to get back to the recent things you've been working on. So let's go. Okay, so I'm in Teams here and you can see that I'm kind of deep into the left navigation. I'm on the Mark 8 project team under design. It's fairly deep into my set of teams and all the different channels that I'm working in. And now, as I open up the document that I really need to review today, so it's this marketing strategy doc, now I kind of just want some focus time to be able to work on this, get everything reviewed, make our deadlines for our big exec review that's coming up. And, what happens? Well, life tends to happen. So I get pinged by Megan, who kind of wants to know if I can attend a work anniversary party. But, I've got a lot going on. There's so much on my plate. So I'm gonna go ahead and type a response to her that I don't think I'll be able to make it because I have so much going on right now. And just a few seconds later, Isaiah hits me in German even, and he says, is everything okay? And so now I've got to talk to Isaiah as well, and let him know everything's okay, and kind of let him know what's happening at the moment, and that I've got a lot of things to do. And instead of giving me a little bit of peace, of course he's gonna hit me again with some more responses and saying there's a lot of stress going on. But then, he sends me something that he's also working on, which is an agenda that he wants me to take a look at as well. So I open up that file, it looks fine. It's kind of not related to the critical task that I've got of reviewing that strategy doc. And now Megan's pinging me again and trying to talk me into going to this party, and now and therein lies the problem. I've been distracted now by both Megan and Isaiah and a bunch of other things and topics, and I really need to get back to that Word document about the marketing strategy that I was working on, but it's not so easy to find it. Remember, it's fairly buried in my teams and kind of on the left navigation, I think in the design team. So how do I get back to that? So now I can find this by using the back buttons in Microsoft Teams. There's a back and forward button to kind of get between the last couple of things that I've been working on or that you've been working on, the different conversations that you've had. There's my document here, so now I can get back to work. But there's even a better way than this. So if I go to the back button, the key here is right-clicking the back button. Now right-clicking gives you a view of the last 12 activities that you had in Microsoft Teams. So that then lets you navigate to any of those things. So I'll go ahead and from there I can navigate to Isaiah's agenda if I want. I can navigate to my marketing strategy, and then the thing that I'm really working on today that's important to me. I can navigate back to all the different conversations, our Teams conversation here. And now, for example, I could let them know that I'm done reviewing. So that was just a super quick tip in terms of navigating Microsoft Teams and hopefully finding the things easily that you may have lost before that you're working on that are important to your day. Now, if you like this tip, be sure to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already yet. And as always, thank you so much for watching.